Hey guys, Rick from Sonus here, back in our video. So lately we got a few suggestions to make a Pascal Junior video. So in this video we're gonna be remaking No Lies by Pascal Junior. We'll be going over the songwriting, the bass presets, and the lead sound. So let's dive into it. So first let's dive into the songwriting. I got this piano loaded up right here with the bass minis. So it goes from the G, playing twice, and the first bar and the second bar to a C chord, and it's ending on a D sharp. So then what we have to do is add a rhythm to it, sounding like this. So now let's design a bass with it. So first let's deconstruct the main bass. It's a typical selected style deep house bass you hear in a lot of tracks, so let's dive into it. First we started off with this PWM wavetable, sounding like this. We keep the envelope the same as default. Then we added this second oscillator, both oscillators 2 octaves down. With the second oscillator 7 semitones up. As you can hear this will add a typical deep house sound to it, because it is 7 chords. So if you want to make these kind of sounds, this is the real key to it. Then we filtered it together and wrote an envelope 2 to it. So basically what we did is drag down the sustain and the decay a little bit, and then route it to the cutoff. Put up the drive a little bit. We also added a few unisons to the second oscillator, and we slightly FM'd it, sounding like this. So then we added some effects. First of all, the OTT. This will really fatten up the sound. Then some hyperdimension, distortion, the dial 2 distortion, with an envelope 2 to the drive, just to add some more punch to the sound. The distortion is a little bit too much, so we filtered it with the low 24. Exactly the same as we did with the previous filter. Then we boosted the mids a little bit with envelope 2 to the gain. This also adds some more punch to the sound. Then a small chorus effect and some reverb to let the sound fade out a little bit more. So then we added some effects. So then we added a sub bass. It's just a simple sine square sub. Nothing too crazy. Besides that we wrote off all the highs. So together it will sound like this. So then we sampled the kick from the original, sounding like this. So besides that, if you're on the project file with all the presets, the drums, make sure to check my Patreon. You can download it over there, it's linked down below. So now let's dive into the lead sound. The melody looks like this. So basically those are small melodic fills, sounding like this. We start off with a saw wave, and instead of using the envelope, we routed LFO1 to it, to the level, sounding like this. Then we added 3 unisons, detuned it a little bit. So then we added oscillator B. We only use it for FM modulation of the first oscillator, sounding like this. It's a bit too much, so just around here. So what else? And with it adds a lot more texture to the sound. Besides that, it's up 7 semitones as well. So it goes from here to here. Then we filtered it with the low 24 LFO to the cutoff, some drive fatness. So it's already kind of close to the final result. Now we mixed it. Some hyper. And dimension. Then some distortion. There too distortion. With a mix, slightly dragged down. There's some chorus effects. EQing to open up the highs and create some movement in the sound with the LFO to the frequency. Sounding like this. And to finish it off, some reverb and delay. Then we mix the sounds. It had a little bit too much highs, so we dipped it. We leave the sub end because the bass is not playing when the lead's playing. So there's plenty of room for the sub bass. Then we added a reverb, just a simple reverb, and some sidechain. So that's it for all the sounds. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And the final result will sound like this.